Just me putting some Clecos in. I'm remocking up this thing because where the hell's your piece? I ran out of actually my welding battery died, so I had to. The problem was is this, like, before, the little piece of metal here were basically smashing into each other, like right here, so I put it back like this, so I can now get the fingers kind of like that. And now if I put these in here, you can kind of get idea that they're kind of spread out a little bit too much. I might knock off a little bit more, see, because this one, if you notice, has a little bit of, yeah, well, maybe. The fingertips are a little longer than this one. The other thing I have to do is take this and mount it on here somehow. So I got like this part here. So I'm thinking, since these are like this, actually I got it pretty good here. So got it like that. Thinking maybe putting this on an angle, maybe. I don't know, I gotta figure out what the hell looks good. I don't know, kind of all the way back, kind of like that. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. Let me try it one, just for the hell of it. I'll go like this. This is just mock-up. I'm gonna put, what number is this? This is numero 0. See, I also got to re-weld this because when I was banging on it, the weld popped out. Like I said, this is the probably the world's most ugly frickin'. It's kind of cool because it looks good because it's ugly looking, like it really is. The metal scratched to pieces. It looks like something Freddy Kruger would have built. So, where's number 0? This is number 1. This is number 3. This is number. That's number 2. This is 0. So I'm going to put this in here. Little mock-up pins. Just to see if it still lines up. Come on. Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty. Alrighty, there we go. Bloody hell. Do I get a Michelin star for this? Probably not. Oh, come on, frick. Was the rivet no good? Probably. Jackass rivet. There we go. So now if I got this like that, do I want it like so? Ooh, that looks good. Fuck yeah, look at that. I'm thinking of lining it up in the middle and spot welding it from the bottom. I just burnt drilling 2 holes in here and screwing them on. That way I don't get, this way I don't get any disturbances in the force on the top. It just looks, see, like this one, there's no like glue and shit. And they had the same idea too. If you look in there, there's a round spot and a round spot in there. It was like plugged in from the bottom. So that's what I'm gonna do. I used a, I don't know if this is what, 1/8 inch flat bar. It's got more, it's really rigid. I can put a fake thing on it. And when I cut this in the shear, it kind of ended up like this. So kind of didn't work. I have to spend, I don't know how many, I don't know how much more time. I'm guessing at least an hour or 2. Grinding this one, and grinding this one out, which in the last video I showed, I scribed it all out. So hopefully I can get them exact. Something tells me I should have tack welded them all. I should have tack welded the end, but my welder ain't working. If I had my welder working, not my welder, if my welding helmet would work better, I would just take them, go like this, and then grind them all in one shot, and then just keep the ends welded and cut it off. But I don't want to do that because it's a lot of meat to chop through. I can burn through this really quick on my grinder. Plus, I've been itching to replace the grinding stone, so it's been like, I've had that grinding stone for like 20 years, I think. It's how old the grinder is. Probably hit a grinder's probably 50 years old. So anyway, I'll shut the hell up now. And I'm trying to turn this damn camera off. And I also move the camera closer. I forgot about one more problem. So like I said, it's good to finish in. I guess they do it on motorcycles too. You mock up stuff and you put it back together and back together and together and back together and figure shit out. My problem here is that's number one. This is number three. Besides the fact that my welding helmet needs a battery, when I did this, I realized there was a tiny little problem. So this is how I figured it out. Well, first I figured out you can bend these goddamn holes pretty much any way, but see this one, it doesn't really bend because I gotta bend this back, but this one goes back like this, see? This one, see the difference? So I have this one has to be ground down because it's hitting the hump here, the Humpty Hump. So I know that one's got a problem. And what else? Of course, I just lost a rivet. This is number one. This is number one. Number one. When I go to, I don't know if they have them all over the place in the U.S., but they got a number one Chinese food. So where I was like, hey, number one Chinese food. And see, this one goes straight up too. So I can bend it. Like, well, if I could, see, I can bend my finger somewhat. Mind you, if the rivets weren't in there in the way, but shorter rivets, I could bend it. That one's the only problem, is this one. I don't got a lot of bend on it. Not a lot of bendy. I also have to take my welder and I have to give them a spot weld inside here and here. This one I was doing some hammering in it. I was trying to get the rivets off. I learned a little thing about the rivets. One, I gotta bend this back out and put a new weld here. And this one you can see I wouldn't put a crazy ass welding bubble in there. I'm gonna put a big blob in there. Weld this in the inside, weld this in the inside. Here's the mock-up claw. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna try to get this on I don't know, like, I don't have a freaking knife thing, so I'm gonna take the grinder and just make it. I really should leave like this, but I want to get to somewhat of a point. Even though the plastic ones don't have an edge on them, no, they should. And again, if you're gonna, I don't know, I probably could kill somebody with a round edge. I'd probably go right through your throat. I'm not putting any blade edges on them, so that's my story. I'm sticking to it. I got that. Have to weld. Gotta go get another battery. Where did the battery go? There's a battery here somewhere. Battery. Oh, where is the battery? Probably fell on the damn floor. So look, good thing I took a picture of it. Otherwise, I would know what the hell it is. So yeah, short little videos. So anyway, enjoy. I probably won't even put this in there. It's just random crap.